Honorable Chief Guest of this inaugural program for Bhashini Rajyam workshop and MOU signing ceremony, our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who is also our Honorable Minister of Information Technology and Communications in the state. Sir, at the very outset, we extend a very warm welcome to you and we thank you for your participation in this workshop and critical MOU signing ceremony for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the Bhashini app. We are very grateful to you, sir, and we are also extremely delighted that in spite of your very busy schedule, in spite of your visit outside the country, still you are here with us and you have joined us by virtual means. We extend once again a very warm welcome to you, sir, and we really thank you for all the wonderful initiatives that are being taken by the IT and Communication Department, MeitY, and Digital India, NEGT. We are also very grateful that we have in our midst our honorable guest of honor, our honorable Minister for Arts and Culture, Shri Paul Lyngdoh. We are very thankful to you, sir, for your kind participation in this important inaugural program, followed by workshop. And we thank you from the core of our heart for your support to the state in the field of arts and culture. We would like to welcome you, sir, and we wanted to share with you that the signing of Garo and Khasi language in our state for the Bhashini app is a great milestone for the state. We are delighted that our Honorable Chief Secretary, sir, is just in time, sir, and we like to invite Honorable CS, sir, to please come on to the stage. Sir had some important commitments just before the program, and still he has cut short his program, and he's here with us. We would like to extend a very warm welcome to Chief Secretary, sir, who is also the chairman of the State Language Mission for Bhashini. So it is under the guidance of respected Chief Secretary, sir, that we have gone ahead with this very significant achievement of the state. We are also delighted that we have in our midst another pioneer of art and culture initiatives in the state. This is our Principal Secretary, Arts and Culture, Shri F.R. Kharkhangor. We would like to extend a warm welcome to you, sir, and we thank you for your participation in this program, which is very meaningful, and it helps the state make giant strides in the field of recognition of our languages. We once again welcome you, sir. We also would like to heartily welcome a key pillar of this whole initiative and a very important person in Government of India, Shri Amitabh Nag, who is the CEO of Digital India Bhashini Division. We would like to warmly welcome Shri Amitabh Nagji, and we would like to thank him for this brilliant initiative and the very short time in which the MOU has been worked on today, which we will be signing. I would also like to welcome all our senior officers of various departments, Information and Technology Department, Director Shri K.L. Nongbri is here, all other senior officers of the state government, from NIC, from the stakeholders, organizations. We have many important organizations working for the field of the uplift and for the dissemination of Garo and Khasi languages. We have very important dignitaries in our midst. We would like to warmly welcome each one of you and thank you for your animated participation in this program. So since we have many speakers, I would not share much about what Bhashini is all about, but I'll just give you a very brief introduction of sorts of what is being done today and what is the genesis, what is the benefit of the introduction and inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the Bhashini app. Meghalaya takes pride in being one of the important states to host a focused Bhashini Rajyam workshop. It puts us in the same league as many other states and many other languages. And this reflects our commitment for technology adoption as well as preservation and promotion of our unique linguistic identity. Today, as part of the inaugural program, we are signing an MOU through which we embrace advanced technological solutions that Bhashini offers. This includes real-time translation, speech-to-text conversion, text-to-speech features, and voice-to-voice translation across Indian languages and English. These tools will transform the way our government interacts with citizens, making services more approachable. We have had many interactive sessions with the ministry and workshops for which we are very, very grateful. We are also trying our best to have a platform for artificial intelligence AI through implementation of Bhashini. What will be the benefits of Bhashini at stakeholder level? Number one, at grassroots level, Bhashini will enable local bodies to digitize meeting minutes, notices, and citizen communication in native language. So it will be a tremendous aid in rural governance. For farmers, language-based advisories can be a game changer. Automated voice and text messages in native languages can deliver real-time information about weather patterns, pest control, crop schedule, market prices. It cuts down the dependency on middlemen, increases self-reliance for our farmers. Communication will no longer be a barrier for tourists who come from every nook and corner of the country. They can now communicate with you in Khasi and Garo language. What is the way forward? Number one, first of all, we would like to state that there are many civil society organizations with which we are working very closely. We continue to seek your support and your responsive coordination. Also, we have a future-ready state language mission which has been formed to track the usage, challenges, and outcomes of Bhashini. This is chaired by our respected Chief Secretary, and we'll keep on working on how to better improve the Bhashini app with inclusion of Khasi and Garo language. There will be a lot of need for capacity building and training, and language resource persons from all over the state will be engaged to ensure that technological solutions are culturally and linguistically accurate. We would like to thank Digital India Bhashini Division for their wonderful support, for the wonderful collaboration. And I would once again like to thank all the support groups, the CSOs, organizations, individuals with whom we are working and with whom we will work to take our state and take our wonderful languages to much greater heights. So, with this clarion call of let's speak our language, let all of India understand, with this unique tagline, I once again welcome each one of you, all our brilliant and wonderful stakeholders, all our distinguished invitees and guests, starting with our Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable Arts and Culture Minister, CS Sir, Principal Secretary Sir, CEO of Bhashini, Mr. Nag, for this brilliant opportunity that the state has got, and we will we would like to assure all our dignitaries that we will work with renewed vigor, we will work with determination, we will work with passion, and make sure that our languages reach out to each and every corner of the country. And when people from every nook and corner of the country and the world come to us, we should delight when they talk to us in our own native language. Thank you so much.